In this episode, I'm making a stem bag. A very useful bag for those times when you want to carry a bit of extra stuff accessible while riding the bike. It features a 3-point attachment system and can of course be mounted on either side of the stem. It's sized to hold a standard 500ml bottle, being 3 by 3 inches wide and 7 inches tall. It's a 2-panel construction where the sides, back and bottom has webbing ladders for attaching the bag to the bike, while the front panel holds a small stretchy pocket as well as the Cyberian cord lock, which allows for cinching the collar shut one-handed. Just like the handlebar bag and saddle bag I made in the previous episodes, this is made from 1680D ballistic nylon, which is a material that not only looks great, it's very weather resistant and adds some nice stiffness, so the bag better holds its shape when not completely full. Links to all the materials in the description. Let's get to work.